Friends, LLM like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude are extremely heavy and overkill for some scenarios. You can use small language models which are very lightweight and hundreds of times smaller than this LLM. So they are excellent in use cases which don't require complex processing. Plus, SLM are offline, so the data really doesn't go anywhere on the internet. You can turn off the internet and use it. So let's see a use case. As you can see on the screen, so I have an Excel file where quality is written in column number A, and I want to calculate grade based on that quality. So which is specified here, some conditions. So I basically require Excel formula for this. So I will be using a software called LM Studio. So you can Google it. So it is free of cost. So I already installed it. And so I have downloaded a few models. So they're available free of cost. If you go to my models, so I have downloaded many, but you don't require all this. So I will be showing you in the model called Qwen 2 billion parameter. Okay. So let me go to the chat and I will load that model Qwen 2B. So you can see it is taking 2.9 GB. Okay. So if you have GPU or graphics card, then it would be very fast. Otherwise, your RAM would be used. So ensure that you have sufficient RAM for this example to run. So luckily, my model is running completely in GPU. So I will click load and it would take few seconds to load the model. Okay. So and I clicked here in the new chat. Okay. Let me write prompt. And you may need to write prompt or rephrase the prompt multiple times because it is not like chat gpt or Claude which is very intelligent. Even small changes in wording might change your answer or might not produce answer. So you have to be very specific and detailed. So you can say I have Excel file with quality written in column A. Okay, you have to describe it very nicely. I need Excel formula to calculate grade in column B based on the conditions specified in column D and E. D and E. Okay, and let's take a screenshot of this because conditions are there in the screenshot attached in image. Okay, so we will take a screenshot of this. Windows Shift S and I can capture and just ensure to take very small. Don't take entire screenshot. Okay, entire screen. So we'll restrict the screenshot. Okay, so I will save this somewhere on the desktop. Okay, and let's upload this. Okay, attach image. Let's try if it is able to generate. Okay, let's test this formula and let's take an overview. If in this, okay, D2, so D is quality, so it is wrong. Let's revise this formula. Revise this formula as quality is mentioned in column A. So it got confused. Okay, now you can see it is coming properly. So it is using IFS. So it is very intelligent. It knows that if you have latest version of Excel, you can use IFS function. Okay, let's test this. Let me copy this and try to paste it here. Double click and extend this. Okay. Lastly, I would say please try this. So LM Studio is available for both Windows and Mac. Okay, so download it. It is free of cost. If you like this technique, do like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel.